thunderstorm warning for southeastern of Oils Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern St. Louis, central Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Goudot, or near Morrow, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern of Oils Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, and
Current, Goudot, Hamburg, Moreville, Semisport, Big Cane, DuPont, Big Bend, Morrow, LeBeau, Clarksville, and Cottonport.
What the hell?
To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds and ground
He's clear as day.
with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What the hell?
for your protection to an interior room on the lowest
This is
floor.
the new weather radio WXK.
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds and ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Further notice.
I didn't get the EO because I accidentally clicked that button. What the f... Okay, what? What the hell? What? Where did this random ass SVR come from? What the hell? Like, what?